Morning and welcome to Dan Ogoff Caves. I am Mark. This is kind of a hidden gem of Dan Ogoff. Just past the ticket booth, you can make your way down the steps. You can see some other dinosaurs. Yeah, just got to try and stop my dog from coming out. And then as you can see, got the waterfall. Right, you got the waterfall. Right there, and you got a big crocodile down there. A nice watery area. And this is the waterfall. A very nice waterfall as well. So we just going to make our way back. Now I got nice little hidden gems. Very nice. And we make our way back up now. There'll be more videos to follow.